Book of Heaven, Volume 2, June 22nd, 1899. Luisa does not let Jesus sleep. This morning, my sweet Jesus wanted to continue to play his little games with me and to joke. He would come, he would place his hands on my face in act of wanting to caress me, but as he was about to do it, he would disappear. Then again he would come. He would stretch out his arms around my neck in act of wanting to embrace me, but as I stretched out my arms to embrace him, he would escape me like a flash, and I could not find him. Who can say the pains of my heart? While my heart was swimming in this sea of immense sorrow to the point of feeling life failing me, Queen Mama came, carrying him in her arms as a child. And so we embraced, the three of us together, the Mama, the Son, and I. So I could have the time to say to him, "My Lord Jesus, it seems to me that you have withdrawn your grace from me." And he,
"Silly, silly little one that you are, how can you say that I have withdrawn my grace when I am within you? And what is my grace if not myself?"
I remained more confounded than before, seeing that I didn't know how to speak, and that in those 2 words I had uttered, I had spoken nothing but nonsense. Afterwards, the Queen Mother disappeared, and Jesus seemed to enclose himself inside my interior, and there he remained. Today, then, during the meditation, he made himself seen sleeping inside of me. I was looking at him, delighting in his beautiful face, but without waking him up, content with at least seeing him, when, in one instant, the beautiful Queen Mama came again. She took him from within my heart, stirring him all over hurriedly so as to wake him up. After he woke up, she placed him in my arms again, telling me, "My daughter, don't let him sleep, for if he does, you will see what happens." A thunderstorm was preparing. Half asleep, the baby stretched out his little hands around my neck, and squeezing me, he said to me, my mama, let me sleep." And I, "No, no, 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 my beautiful one. I am not the one who does not want to let you sleep. It is our Lady Mama that does not want it, and I pray you to content her. It is certain that nothing can be denied to a mama, and besides, to that mother." After I kept him in vigil for a little while, he disappeared, and so it ended. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.